Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I'll be showing you how to switch from Google Assistant to Gemini on Samsung Galaxy S25. Let's begin. As you can see currently we have our Google Assistant here and we want to change it to Gemini. So let's go into our settings here. Let's scroll down a little and let's get into Google. Here we want to find settings for Google Apps. Here we click the very last option, Search, Assistant and Voice. And here we click Gemini. We simply hit Continue and we click Use Gemini. And now, as you can see, our Gemini is switched, and whenever I press my shortcut, the Gemini will appear instead of good old Google Assistant. Yeah, I don't care. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.